Today, let us have a look at the GI tags of Northeast India. Some of the popular GI tags of Northeast India are Muga silk, Bihodhol, Jhapi Arunai, Borokham, Boro Dokhona, Risa Rignai, Queen Pineapple, Matabari Pera, Naga Mircha, Miju Chili, Khasi Mandarin, Lekadong Turmeric, Arunachal Orange, Khao Thai, Chakhao, Sikkim Cardamom, Karbi Anglong Ginger, Joha Rice, Galu Textile, Puanche. Northeast India is a unique region inside our unique and great India. In Northeast, we have a 220 number of languages. We, the people of more than 200 ethnic groups, are living here. People here are, very simple, honest, and close to nature. The uniqueness and distinctiveness of Northeast are observed in its heritages. Here we have different and special foods, agricultural products, handicrafts, textile, climate, etc. GI tags, that is geographical indications of Northeast, highlight its distinctiveness nature. In Northeast we have total 82 number of GI tags. Thanks for watching.